Welcome to Google Sheets Tips and Tricks, how to remove duplicate names. All right, at this point, we want to take a look at this list and see if there are any duplicates. And if there are, we want to be able to remove them. So the first thing we're going to do, this is our sample school, our pretend school that's got the pretend students in it. And just real quick, we're going to go down to the bottom and take a look at what we have. We've got 473 students minus the header up here. So 472. Sarah Zuniga is the last one. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy some of the data from this pretend school with all of the different columns available. And we're just going to go back a little ways here. And we'll just go ahead and start right here. And I'm just going to left click and drag down about 10 of them or so, give or take. And then I'm going to copy them. We can see they're all last names start with an S. That's okay. I'm going to copy those. And then we're going to go down to the bottom where Sarah Zuniga was at 473. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste them. So now you can see we've added those 10 extra students. So the whole point of this is because we want to remove duplicates. So clearly we have these extra 10 students are duplicates. So I'm simply going to go back up here to A1 at this point, and we're going to go over here to the data tab and then scroll all the way down to where it says remove duplicates. And at this point, the first thing that we have to pay attention to is data has a header row, and sure enough, we have a header. So we want to make sure we select that. And right now it has selected everything. Let's just go ahead and deselect all of them. And because Google Sheets automatically expands the selection to the left and right of whatever it is you're trying to put in alphabetical order, in this case, removing duplicates, all we need to do is go ahead and select student number, because there should be only one student number per data set, or stated differently, one student with their birth date, their gender, the last school, and all the different information. There should be only one student number for that, even though we just added an extra 10. So student numbers right there, data has a header row, remove duplicates. So it says 10 duplicate rows found and removed. Those are the ones that we added, those S's. 472 unique rows remain. So we say okay at this point. And just to make sure, we go back down to Sarah Zuniga, all the way down at the bottom. And sure enough, there she is in row 473, and those extras that we added have been removed. So that is exactly how you go through and you remove duplicates. In this case, we're going to use the student number, which should be unique. And so any duplicate student numbers and all the data expanded out to the right in this case for whatever number is a duplicate gets removed. And so we have a clean list just as we started before we added those extra 10. So thank you for coming to learn that.